Ever wondered how meteorologists know a storm is coming days before it happens? I used to be curious too, until I learned what meteorology is really all about. Meteorology is the study of the Earth's atmosphere and weather. I discovered that it's not just about predicting rain or sunshine. It's about understanding how air pressure, temperature, and humidity interact to create different weather patterns. I also learned about the tools meteorologists use, like barometers, thermometers, and anemometers, and how data from satellites and radar help forecast the weather. I discovered that our atmosphere is made up of layers and each one plays an important role. The troposphere is where we live. It's where weather and clouds form. Above it are the stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Of course, I also learned about the different types of clouds that form: cirrus, cumulus, stratus, and cumulonimbus. This lesson taught me that meteorology is more than just science. It's about understanding and protecting our planet. Thank you for watching, and remember, the next time you look up at the sky, there's a whole world of science above you.